Hey beautiful people, what's up? I hope you are doing well. I am also doing well. So today I want to talk about winter season. So winter season is coming when in India Durga Puja is in. That time winter is coming, and in this time many people are going to travel and tourist. Many places visited like India's Kashmir, Sikkim, and also other Nepal side and also hillside. Most of the people visited hills places, because there is falls down ice. That's why ice is very winter season. We enjoy ice. And winter season is many flowers is growing up. And winter season we going to many restaurant for eating, because in this time eating is good, because summer. And also another season not eating for not eating heavy eating, not eating for this purpose. So winter is the best for eating. So that's why we are going to travel and eating many more. And in this time students and office, those people are jobs holder, jobs office are closed. That's why people are visited many another country also in this time, another country. And in this time in Bengal and another state. I think we are made date jaggery is very interesting. And we Bengali mothers are made homemade pitha in dates jaggery. It's a very authentic foods in West Bengal. And in this time many fairs happen. So many fair happen in this time. We are visited many fair and we are enjoy it. And after that January is coming, and New Year's we are celebrate New Year, Christmas, and many things. And after that students are concentrated their studies. And those people work in office and